Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to make a mood board just like this. Yes, so make sure you subscribe if you haven't and let's get started. So just to start with, I'm going to jot down all the elements that relate to the theme and my personality since this is going to be my desktop wallpaper. So yeah, yellow is the theme that I'm going for May, and after that I will just go to Pinterest and look for all these elements with the keywords like yellow room, yellow study room, yellow work from home space, yellow lemons, basically anything and everything that you vibe with. So just take that picture, click on that and download the image and save it in a separate folder. Now go to canva.com and type in wallpaper and you will get the option of desktop, so you don't have to make the desktop measurement altogether. It is already there in the template. Now take all the pictures from your folder and upload it on Canva so that you can easily access all the pictures and make the mood board. Now start placing these pictures randomly wherever you feel it could look good or not look good. Trust me, there's no correct way. You can just play around with it. You can include shapes, you can include various elements. Just feel free to explore the Canva free version altogether. Trust me, you can do a lot with that. Now here I've included the text where it says May, and I explore few fonts which I might like. Clearly here I do not have access to the paid ones, so the free ones also have a lot of options. So since I'm satisfied with the font here, I move the font to the bottom right because it would add a different kind of a feel altogether since I've been doing all the text in the center all this while. So here I just try to adjust few shapes, colors around the font so that I'm clear that the font is clearly visible on the mood board. Now here the options of shape is pretty good, I think, because in this the border comes with the picture. You just have to insert the picture here by dragging onto it, and you can have any border colors. I prefer white because it makes the mood board look much more neater and cleaner, and you can be very sure where your elements are going to be there. So just play around with it, use different shapes, size, and try to get the board that you want to. You can move your picture up, down, whichever thing you think works for you. Here I'm changing the background color just because I know that all the pictures will have a border, so that will distinguish each picture from the other, at the same time keep the theme that I really want to keep. Just as a basic rule, do not keep two squares together in the same place or two rectangulars together. Try to change their sizes or orientation so that they don't look too put together but at the same time really casual and kind of match your vibe. You can adjust your pictures the way you want to. Here I'm adding quote for myself. There's a quote that I really believed in the beginning of May, and I know how the month is going to be like. So you can put some inspirational quote or anything that motivates you so that whenever you open your laptop, you see that quote and it will inspire you to work towards it. And yeah, I'm just adjusting the font and changing the color of the font so that it goes with the mood board theme that I really want. Now here I'm going to change the font. For you can increase the spacing of the lines and letters. Also look for more fonts if you want. I wanted something in the more typewriter sort of a font, so here I just typed typewriter and it showed me a lot of font options. So play around with it as much as you can. Now to add the calendar, just type in calendar 2021 on the search box of Canva and you can see you will get a ready-made calendar of various months. I group the May calendar so that the letters don't go all around the place, and copy and paste it in my main mood board. Now I have to find a place to place it. Specifically, I place it in a area so that I can see it. I know which day it is, so it's easier for me to navigate around my plans or work schedules that I need to make. So yeah, just placing the background, making sure that all the letters are visible. Now, once I have that fixed, I try to move around the pictures which I would like around it, not make it look less cluttered, but at the same time make it look good. You know what I mean. You can change the transparency of it by choosing the opacity option. You know, it can be of various percentages. So, yeah, you can just test that around. Always before finalizing, zoom in the picture in full screen and check if you like it. If you don't, you can make few changes. Here, I'm adding another picture instead of the mango because I think that was looking really out of the place. So I've just added another lemon, or yeah, it's a lemon picture, and I think it looks perfect now. So yeah, this is how my mood board looks like. I'm just now to change the calendar color, I would have to ungroup it. Make sure you do not deselect it, make sure it's selected, and you can change it so that the letters stay together. And yeah, the mood board is ready to download. Moving forward, I also want the same theme on my phone. So I just type on Canva as wallpaper and I get phone wallpaper option. So I'll just copy all the elements that I had put in my desktop wallpaper mood board. I just copy it and paste it here and change the sizes and orientation of it just to make sure that it looks good in a phone one as well. Of course, if you paste the same thing, it will look really weird. I remove the calendar completely because on the phone I don't really want to see a calendar. So yeah, I just move the pictures around, change its shapes, their orientation, even the placing for that matter, just so that it fits perfectly in a phone aesthetic as well. Make sure you can read the texts which are written on the wallpaper. It should not be like, you open it and you can't read it. So yeah, make it a full screen and check. Here I'm changing the font of May because I think the bigger font will look much better. And yeah, see it in full screen and let me know what do you think about these themes. Hey, I hope you like this video. It was a newer format that I'm trying to do. So if you like this, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. And comment below if you'd like to see more of these mood board tutorial videos or things that I can teach you that I've learned over the course of my NIFT tenure and my internships. I'd love to know. So yeah, until the next video. Bye.